Hello viewers, this is a trash find desk fan. I saw this outside and I thought, I know it still works, why not take it? Now, it appears to be it's broken off on here, but this is fixable. I can easily fix it because I got zip ties. I'm still thinking about the Airmaster 2000s channel. I don't think I'm getting it back. Whoever reported it, I hate to say this, but you may have won. But fingers crossed. Fingers crossed I get my channel back. Obviously I'll keep this one, but use it as a backup. I have some pre-recorded videos I would film. I won't talk in any of them apart from the Fridgemaster fan, which I might actually have to scrap because the motor on it is horrible and the fan is creaking as well. Anyways, let's not waste any time here because this channel ain't verified yet. There we go. Seems like this is an older model as well. Okay, so this was, the nut has been placed on backwards. Yeah, as you can see, it fell and it broke off. It's meant to go on here. Fortunately, I can easily repair that. Get rid of the plastic bit. I'm going to get zip ties and I'm going to thread it through here. There's a bit of space under there, isn't there? Yeah, there is. This is my plan. Actually, this is a better way of doing it. Get this. Just watch. Hold on. There we go. Do that. Perfect. This is an easy fix with zip ties. And zip ties don't cost that much either. They cost like about 15... No, not £15. About £5. £3 to £5. They're not expensive at all. Which is really good. They're extremely affordable for things like this. There we go. Put another one on here. I'm going to put two and put another one so it's all even. Not gonna lie, I just made this a bit difficult for myself here. I made this really difficult for myself. My lord. I tell you now, I don't think anyone will understand that losing all your hard work is difficult, especially when some piece of garbage decides to falsely report you. Like, that's really bad. Really, really bad. I don't know how we do that. I will eventually give this fan some lubricant. What the hell? Why is it... That's weird. That is weird. The zip tie is... Don't know why, but this zip tie is annoying me. This is an easy approach. I'll take the zip tie off. Not zip tie, motor casing. How old is this fan anyways? I need to take it. This is from... To be honest, I don't bloody know, but I think this is a 2020s model. It's a modern fan, that's all I know of. How do I do this? God, it's so hot. I'm annoyed that this happened. Right, it looks like I have to get rid of this zip tie. I'm not doing much with it, unfortunately. What a waste of zip tie. What a waste. Can't believe I just wasted the zip tie. Believe me, this is a possible fix. It's just sometimes zip ties don't want to behave. I can't make a video over 15 minutes long either. I'm going to put the fan on because it's so hot. That's going in the flipping motor. God, why does modern fans have to be so annoying? Just why? Why can't they be made literally decent? Not all modern fans are crap though. That I can say. I'm going to try and do this in reverse, I guess. It's the only bloody way. There. God damn it. I'm meant to pull it through here. It's gonna have to be. It's gonna have to be wonky, but it's fine. I'm going to pause the video because this is going to take forever. Finally got it done. That took way too long. Put the fan back together. Seems like this fan has another issue as well. This thing's spring loaded and I can't get the cover things off. Oh well. At least the grill's now on. It still can rotate, but it's not going to fall off the front bit of the motor casing. See how well it runs. I will give it some lubricant, but I saved that for next time. This is a very creaky fan, by the way. Might actually sell this, just saying. It works! Nice. I know it oscillates, oscillator functions okay. Fix the fan. I'm just going to give it lubricant and then I may sell it because I'm not keeping this.